We all love explosions, especially when they're in slow motion. Well, maybe not as much as him. No, bad Michael Bay, shoot. But we love them no less. Destruction is just in our nature. So, here are 10 slow-mo explosions that you may or may not have seen that are fun to watch from a distance.
Number 10.
This first video is of an 84mm Carl Gustav rocket launcher with a tandem warhead. It wouldn't be fun to get hit by it, but definitely fun to watch at 2000 frames per second.
Number 9.
A cylinder filled with an explosive filmed at 1 million frames per second. That's a lot of frames. The explosion is so powerful the copper cylinder is instantly turned to gas.
Number 8.
At number 8, we have a thin tube of high explosive being detonated at over 50,000 frames per second.
Number 7.
A C4 explosion with an X-shaped dead cord filmed at 60,000 frames per second.
Number 6.
Here we have super slow-mo HD explosions by BBC Earth Unplugged. These were some of my favorite explosions, so I packed them nicely into one clip.
And number 5.
Here we have beer kegs being destroyed at 50,000 frames per second. And yes, they were empty. Beer lovers, rejoice.
Number 4.
25 pounds of TNT being detonated in a controlled blast.
Number 3.
At 10 million frames per second, we have C4 being detonated on, what else? An Xbox.
Number 2.
So what's happening in this video? A rocket is launched at a tank, and the tank deploys anti-rocket measures, destroying the RPG before it hits. Technology is amazing. Before we get to our number 1 spot, I'd like to show you some fantastic explosions that were either worthy to be number 1 or just didn't have enough kick. But to be honest, I just wanted to show you more than 10 explosions. So, here they are. Okay, so you probably saw this coming. I know it's not the best quality, but I just couldn't leave it out. It's a classic. Although there were more epic explosions, this is personally my favorite slow-mo explosion. A bunker buster destroying a dummy fighter jet, penetrating 6 feet of concrete. Simply amazing. So, what was your favorite explosion? Let Michael Bay know in the comments below. Because he'll be watching. He's always watching.
I still fall behind. Saw myself shine.